Ielts essay question. Some people think that it is good to take a gap before going to university. Do you agree or disagree? In recent years, the idea of taking a gap year before attending university has gained popularity among students and educators alike. A gap year refers to a period of time, typically 1 year, taken off after completing high school and before enrolling in university. This essay will discuss the advantages of taking a gap year, including personal growth, increased motivation, and enhanced career prospects. One of the most significant advantages of taking a gap year is the opportunity for personal growth. During this time, students can explore new interests, engage in volunteer work, travel, or even pursue internships in fields of interest. By stepping outside the traditional academic environment, individuals can gain valuable life experiences and develop essential life skills such as adaptability, independence, and problem-solving. These experiences often lead to increased self-confidence and a broader perspective on life, which can be highly beneficial once they commence their university studies. Another compelling argument in favor of taking a gap year is the increased motivation it often instills in students. After several years of intense schooling, many high school graduates may find themselves feeling burnt out and lacking direction. A well-structured gap year can serve as a much-needed break from the routine of academics, allowing students to recharge their minds and rekindle their passion for learning. With renewed enthusiasm and a clearer sense of purpose, they are more likely to approach their university education with a genuine desire to excel. Contrary to the misconception that a gap year might hinder future career opportunities, it can, in fact, enhance a student's employability. Employers often value candidates who have taken a gap year because of the diverse skills and experiences gained during that time. As mentioned earlier, volunteering, internships, and travel can contribute to the development of a well-rounded individual with a broader skill set and cultural awareness. Furthermore, taking a gap year can help students better align their career goals with their academic pursuits, making them more focused and committed to their chosen paths. Critics argue that a gap year could lead to academic disengagement and a decreased likelihood of students enrolling in university. While it is true that some students may struggle to transition back to academics after a year away, this can be mitigated by setting clear goals and maintaining a support network throughout the gap year. Additionally, many students find that the benefits gained during the gap year outweigh any potential challenges they may encounter upon returning to formal education. In conclusion, taking a gap year before attending university can be a valuable and rewarding experience for young adults. The personal growth, increased motivation, and enhanced career prospects that result from a well-planned gap year make a compelling case in favor of this approach. However, it is essential for students to approach this time with a clear sense of purpose and a well-thought-out plan to ensure they make the most of this transformative period in their lives. Ultimately, with the right mindset and planning, a gap year can be a beneficial stepping stone toward a successful and fulfilling university journey.